If you're experiencing a login failure in Fortnite with the error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off your gaming device or computer completely and then turn it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update Fortnite. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates in your gaming platform store and install any available updates. Step 4. Verify your account credentials. Double-check your login information, including your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you are using the correct account linked to Fortnite. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Epic Games Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.